What's going on, guys? I've been waiting several weeks for this day. Today is the day. We bring her to the tuner. We get the Holly all tuned up. Hopefully the car running well. While we're there, we're gonna get it up on the dyno, see what she does for numbers, probably, take it out for a ride and do some last minute tuning and stuff. So super excited. Unfortunately, the truck is being occupied by the camper at the moment. So my cousin Tom's coming up. He's gonna help us. He's actually gonna grab the trailer with the car, and the two of us are gonna head out there and see what we can get done. So stay tuned. Today's gonna be a pretty So I'm here at Turbo Mike's out in Charlton. Mike's actually in the car right now doing a little bit of messing around with the computer. I got Tom up front kind of supervising, and I have no idea what I'm doing, so I'm gonna stick back here and get you guys some footage. So once he gets this thing tuned up a little bit more, we're gonna get it off the trailer inside the garage and get it up onto the dyno and see what this thing does. But sounds pretty good. I've never had a car on a dyno.
No?
Never.
It's an experience.
I'm assuming he's probably, what is he going to get up to, like third gear and then pull it?
No, he'll probably dyno 1-to-1. Probably dyno 4.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Your tires are rated for it, transmission's rated for it, they all drive shaft rated for it. So you want to be in 1-to-1. Dyno's the most accurate you can be.
good? So pulling the oil filter, you're gonna cut it open to see if there's any metal in it?
Yep.
And what did you say? You thought there could be internal friction?
Yeah, if it's got a, yeah, I'm gonna need a set of pliers or something. I'll have to figure out how to get the fuck on there. I see that copper line that we're talking about now right here.
The oil, the one I was talking about, the oil
Yeah,
one?
it's not dripping or nothing, so. The oil pressure is good, so
It's more than
there's
good.
nothing loose, but unfortunately, if something is too tight, the oil pressure can be good. Maybe? That might be too fat. I think that oil filter is too fat for that. These things are big. No, I didn't see it was a huge one. Oh, yeah, they're pretty big. I have the bigger ones, but if that'll work, I think I can get around those. Those are regular channel locks, so you can slide them. Yeah. So you got the cutter, right? Okay.
It's a nifty little tool. That's it, it just opens it like a can opener?
Pretty much like a pipe cutter, essentially.
Oh boy. Moment of truth.
Yeah. Yeah, we're done.
What do you mean we're done? Well, what the f- That's not just
Not
it breaking in?
No, that's copper. I'll have Mike double check it, but
Well, what the hell does that mean?
barren or something. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Glittery. That's too much glitter. And that's
Even for a brand new engine?
Yeah, yeah.
You fucking kidding me?
Unfortunately not. We're gonna tell when that filter. I just couldn't grab it. It's very hot. Now you can see it over here in these ones.
It's alarming.
Yeah, that's too much. See it?
Mm-hmm.
That's a lot of material in here for even this. But when we dump this out, we'll be able to tell too. It's just too much. You can see it all on the bottom.
Well, that sucks.
Yeah.
Well, that'll put a stop to things real quickly. Apparently we had an issue with the temperature spiking, and so we shut it down and pulled the oil filter, cut the oil filter open, and it's full of metal. So something's coming apart. Rod bearing, main bearing. It's kind of bullshit. I'm really upset. But I guess that's part of engine building. So gonna have to pull the pan, see what came apart, and hopefully it's a rod bearing maybe, and we can get a set of rod bearings, put it in. If not, then the engine needs to come back out. So yeah, a little disappointing. Sounded mean as hell, and yeah, so well. So they're taking it off the dyno now. We just put a new filter on it. Just gonna idle it back onto the trailer, and just gonna go to sleep in the garage for the rest of the season. So kind of pissed, but oh well. So apparently challenge failed. Well, still sounds good anyway. So hopefully we can salvage it. Want to just stay in it, pull it right up on the trailer? All right, well, we are back home. You can see behind me, she's back on the lift. Time to remove the oil pan and see what the hell happened. Hopefully it's nothing major. Maybe, fingers crossed, it's something simple like a rod bearing or something. It's not wrapping, it's still got 70 plus pounds of oil pressure. So it's just a matter of, there was a lot more metal than should have been in the oil filter. So Let's take a look, see what's going on in there.